OnePlus has launched its new smartphone under OnePlus 13 lineup in India called OnePlus 13s, with compact-size design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus 13s features a 6.32-inch 1.5K resolution LTPO AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1600 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is protected by crystal shield glass on the top, and it includes Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8E Lite chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 or 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the OnePlus 13 sports a dual-camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's lite 700 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens, with 2x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5850 mAh battery, with 80 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Oxygen OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. And it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 150.8 by 71.7 by 8.2 millimeters, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The OnePlus 13s has been priced in India for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 54,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 59,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in black velvet, green silk, and pink satin color options, and it is said to go on sale in the country starting from June 12th. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus 13 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.